In India, we are so used to seeing congestion and long queues of vehicles at the toll tax collection, and the government is doing everything what they can to ease this congestion. From moving from the manual tax collection to the FASTag technology, and now again the government is trying to move towards a better achievement or a better advancement for improving the congestion at the toll tax. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be talking about government's new model for toll tax collection. So let's look at the timeline of the video. First we will be looking at what is the news, and then the government's new plan for toll plazas. Can all number plates be read by the cameras that the government is planning to install? And the model for toll collection on Indian highways, which is presently working, and the issues with the ANPR, that is automatic number plate reader. Then what is FASTag and what are the benefits of FASTag? In the end, we will be looking into a prelims MCQ and a mains practice question. This topic is of relevance from General Studies Paper 3, Science and Technology. See, a question has been asked by the UPSC about the FASTag technology, so this topic becomes all the more important. From prelims perspective, it is important to know about what is ANPR and how does it work. Then what is the technology that FASTag works on, and then from mains perspective, what is the working of the ANPR and the benefits of FASTag. So let's get started and see the news, and this news has been taken from the explained section of the Indian Express, and it says, what is the government's new model for toll collection on highways? So the central idea becomes what is the new model, and then toll collection, that why toll collection is a big issue in our country. So let's see that why this news is so much making headlines. So recently what we have seen, and over the years this has been a big problem in India, that there is so much of congestion and long queues that we see at the toll plazas, and this has impacted the commuters. Both the time and the energy of the commuters go while standing in the long queues. And it has been seen that after adoption of the FASTag, that around 97% of the tolling nowadays happens through FASTag. And according to the Road Transport and Highways Ministry, what they are planning is, they are planning to replace the toll plazas with cameras. And what are these cameras that the Road Transport and Highways Ministry is planning? They are ANPR, which is automatic number plate reader cameras, which the government is planning to install. And these cameras will read the number plates of the vehicles. So this is how they will work, so that whenever a vehicle will enter the highway, that these cameras which will be placed on the highways will read the number plate of the vehicles. Now let's talk about that what is the new plan for the toll plazas. So it is said that they need to remove toll plazas on national highways, because this takes a lot of time for the commuters to cross the toll plazas, and a long queue is created on the toll plazas, and at the time of festivals this becomes even more problematic, because it takes around more than half an hour for people that they keep on standing on the toll plazas to cross the toll plaza. And now what the government is planning is they will be relying on the ANPR cameras, which will read the vehicle's number plates, and after reading the vehicle number plate, it will automatically, so the important word here becomes automatically. So after reading the number plate of the vehicle, it will automatically deduct toll from the linked bank account of vehicle owner. See, what will happen is, there is a vehicle which is going on the national highway, then what will happen is the vehicle is registered on a owner's name. So whatever bank account will be attached to the owner's name, then after reading the number plate of the vehicle, the amount will be deducted from that bank account. And the model is simple, that at the entry and exit point of toll roads, they will have cameras, which will be capable of reading the number plates, as I've told you, and the toll will be deducted based on these cameras. So I'll just show you. See, this is how the ANPR cameras will work, that is automated number plate reader. So what will happen is, see, these are the cameras and this is a vehicle. So whenever the vehicle will cross the road or cross the toll plazas, then these cameras will read the number plate of the vehicle. See, the vehicle passes on the level of the camera, which records the number plate and the specific time of the passage. So what will happen after the number plate is read, then this will go to a computer which will process all the information and the amount will be deducted from the bank account on the name on which the vehicle is registered. Now let's talk about that can all the number plates be read by the cameras? So what the government is planning to install cameras. So is it possible that cameras will be able to detect each and every number plate? For now, the answer is no. See, not all number plates in India can be read by the cameras. So what is the reason that why it cannot read all the number plates? That is why, because only those number plates that have come after 2019 will be registered by the camera. Very important point. You need to know about this point, because this is where the UPSC will trick you. They can replace the word only, or they can replace the year 2019 with some other year. So it becomes that whatever the number plates is, only the camera will only detect the number plates which have been in place after 2019. So the number plates which are before 2019 will not be detected by the cameras. And the government in 2019 had come up with a rule mandating passenger vehicles to have company fitted number plates. So they need to have, or the vehicles need to have, a company fitted number plates, and only these number plates can be read by the cameras. So this will be a big challenge for the government, because they need to make sure that before they apply the ANPR cameras, they need to see that all the vehicles comply with the ANPR cameras norms, that all the vehicles should have number plates which was registered after 2019. So the important point and the important words in this slide becomes only, because many a times what happens is, whenever we see a statement which has only or all, we tend to mark it wrong, but that is not true all the times. Then the government plans to come up with a scheme to replace the older number plates and penalize vehicle owners who skip toll plazas and do not pay whatever happens. And many a times we have seen that there are many people who skip toll plazas and they do not pay toll. So this will also be very helpful in recognizing those people. Now let's talk about the model for toll collection on Indian highways. Recently, around 97% of the total toll collection, which is around rupees 40,000 crores, is happening through FASTag, and the remaining 3% who are not using FASTag, they pay higher than normal toll rates for not using FASTags. And what we are seeing today is, it takes around 47 seconds per vehicle to cross a toll plaza. After from manual toll collection we have shifted to the FASTag, the speed of passing toll by the vehicles has increased a lot. So through the use of FASTags, it has been seen that the FASTag takes only 47 seconds per vehicle to cross a toll plaza, and more than 260 vehicles can be processed per hour via the electronic toll collection, which in comparison to the manual toll collection, it is very high, because around 112 vehicles per hour was crossing the toll plazas through manual toll collection lanes. So if you will see that the number of vehicles crossing the toll plaza through FASTag has been more than almost double. That from 112 per hour vehicles, we have moved to 260 vehicles per hour. So this has been a very big change which the FASTag have brought. Then FASTags have eased traffic at the toll plazas across the country. But what we are seeing is, even after the FASTags has been used, still the congestion is seen, because the 46 or 47 seconds that the FASTag takes, toll gates needs to be crossed after the authentication, which increases the time period. So the ANPR will help to ease congestion even further, and the government is also looking at GPS technology as one of the options for toll collection. So what will happen is, by using the ANPR cameras, the time period of 47 to 48 seconds will further decrease, so that the congestion problem will ease further. Now let's look at the issues which can arise with the ANPR is that creating an ecosystem that is in sync with the requirements of the camera. As I've already told you that the clause of 2000 and the number plates which are used after 2019 can only be assessed by the ANPR cameras. So the ecosystem, the creation of ecosystem will create a challenge or a problem. Then problem is when things are written on the number plate, and we know that in India there are people who tend to write a lot many things on their number plates, like for example, like the government of India or Delhi and the names of the gods, etc. These are the things, if this will be written on the number plate, then the ANPR cameras will not be able to detect the number plate. And then reading number plate on trucks becomes difficult, because many a times they are hidden or they are very dirty. And about 10% of vehicles with such number plates are being missed by the ANPR cameras. So it is not that these kind of number plates are not there in use by people. A lot many number of people are using these kind of number plates, and the ANPR cameras will not be able to detect it. Like, see these images, you people must have seen all these images a lot many times. So see this number plate, is fine, because nothing else is written on the number plate except the number, while on the other hand you see this number plate, something else is also written. See this number plate, till here the size of the digits are same, but this is different. So the ANPR cameras will not be able to detect these number plates. While you see this number plate of truck, and truck in our countries are very colorful. Okay, see this number plate. So there are designs on the number plate, or there will be something written here and there on the number plate. So the ANPR cameras will not be able to detect these kind of number plates. Then comes FASTag. Now let's talk about a FASTag. And a FASTag question was asked by the UPSC. I don't remember the year, but it was around, I think, 2 to 3 years back. Then FASTag is electronic toll collection system, which is operated by the NHAI, which is National Highway Authority of India, and it is based on the radio frequency identification technology. Most important point of this slide is that FASTag is based on which technology? That is RFID technology. And FASTag is a wireless tracking system that consists of tags and readers, and it is placed on the windscreen of vehicles, and it is a prepaid rechargeable tags. So you need to charge your FASTag before moving, because it is prepaid tags. Whenever the vehicle will move through the FASTag, then the technology will read and will deduct the amount from the bank account. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of FASTag. That since the time we have adopted to FASTag, what has been its benefits? That ease of payment. Now there is no need to carry cash for toll collections and it saves a lot of time also. Then the environmental benefit can be, it has reduced the use of papers. Then comes the social benefit, that is reduced toll payment hassles and analytics for better highway management. Because see, physical transaction of toll was taking a lot of time. Many a times we have seen that more than 2-3 minutes was also taken by people. Then there was problem of change also, when that the people do not have change, then they will look here and there for giving the change. So it was creating a lot of problem for the commuters. Then economic benefit, reduced effort in management at toll plazas. Not many people will be required if everything will happen through FASTag or the new technology of cameras. Then reduced effort in monitoring centrally. Now let's come to the prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And it says that what are the applications of RFID technology? And RFID technology, when did we read it? We read it when we were seeing about the FASTags. First is logistics and supply chain. Second is toll road payments. Third is real-time location system. And the codes are 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only. So now let's come to the last aspect of today's video, that is the mains practice question. And it says, how FASTag has helped to ease the congestion at the toll plazas? A very simple and a straightforward one. It is a 10-marker question, so you people can do your answer writing practice by writing this question. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.